In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube account in 5 easy steps. Now, a lot of people have told me they're battling to verify their YouTube account. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to overcome any problems or issues that you might have. So let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you the 5 easy steps to get your YouTube account verified so we can get you access to those custom thumbnails and start getting you more views. To get started, from the YouTube homepage, head up to the top right hand side and click on your channel icon. Now make sure this is the channel that you want to get verified in. I know a lot of you have a whole lot of YouTube channels, so just check it's the right channel before we head into YouTube Studio. I know you're always tempted to go and check those stats, but we need to get verified first so we can start getting you more views and more of these green arrows. To do that, head down the left hand side, click on that settings icon, and then we're going to select the second option, which is the channel option, and then head over to feature eligibility. Now there are standard features that should be enabled on your channel, which is adding collaborators to playlist, adding new videos to existing playlists, playlist creation, and video uploads. You should have that enabled. If you don't, let me know in the comments down below. Your intermediate features is what we are focused on in this, and this is step 1. We want to head down here, and this gives you access to those all-important custom thumbnails that we're talking about, gives you access to live streaming, and allows you to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, which is really important for us to get that average view duration up. Our channel is verified. If your channel is not verified yet, you will have a button here that says verify phone number. It's going to take you over to youtube.com/verify. If you're verified already, you'll see this green tick and you'll see phone number verified. If you are not, you will see step 1. It'll ask you to select what country you're from and enter your mobile number. Now you need to enter your phone number in order to get verified. This is to protect the YouTube community and to make sure there are not too many bots creating channels that aren't real people. So step 2 is to click on that verify my phone number button and get over to the link. If you can't get over to this link, I will put the link for you in the description down below. It's youtube.com/verify. And then step 3 of this process is to choose what country you are from and enter your mobile number. And then you can choose between SMS or phone call to get your PIN. Either or is going to work. Phone call is normally a little bit quicker. SMS is a little bit slower, but it works both the same. Then you can click on the button to go to the next step. For the phone call, you don't actually have to speak to a human being. It's just a recorded message reading you your 6-digit PIN. Click next, and step 4 is getting that PIN to our mobile phone, and receiving this mobile PIN and entering it is where most of the issues come in verifying our YouTube accounts. So if you're having this issue, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how we can overcome this problem. Once you receive your PIN, enter it and submit it, and then you will get your green tick and your phone number will be verified. Now, as a bonus, for those of you that have stuck around to the end of the video, we have a little bonus check for you. So head back to your YouTube Studio, head into your content, and head into your latest YouTube video. Then we're going to head down to your thumbnail section, and you won't have a thumbnail here. We already have one. You're going to select add or upload thumbnail, and if you can upload that and get your thumbnail, and click on the save button on the right hand side and check once the page refreshes, your thumbnail does come up here and on the right hand side, then your thumbnail is working and you have enabled custom thumbnails on your channel by getting verified. Congratulations. If this check doesn't work, wait 10 or 15 minutes and try again. If you are still battling to get your channel verified, then we have a video which we'll link down below. But what you can do is click on the link in the description, come and join our free YouTube community, and we have a post in the community where you can share where you're getting stuck, and then I can help you directly. So I've given you an example here. All I need to know is which of the 5 steps you're stuck at and put a screenshot so we can help you. Don't screenshot any with your mobile number in it. We don't want to share that publicly in the free community, but I do need to know which step you are stuck at and how I can best help you. So we have that there for you. If you have any questions or queries you want to ask me right now before you head into the post where I can help you, you can put those questions down in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out there. Thanks so much for watching this video. Congratulations on getting verified, and we cannot wait to see the awesome thumbnails you have to share on your new videos. Next up, we've created a video on exactly how to make your thumbnails better so you can get more views, and you can watch that right here.